Hello, I'm Mr. Farid, and today I will be sharing with you Pencak Silat. Pencak Silat originates from the Malay Archipelago region, which consists of Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brunei, Philippines, southern of Thailand. Pencak Silat has 4 aspects in it. Number 1 is called bela diri. In English, it's called self-defense. Number 2 is called kesenian or performing arts. So now we're going to start off with kuda-kuda or the silat stance. First, you point your right leg and then move it to the side and bend your knees. Have a good posture and face the front. This is called kuda-kuda bangku, or how you to sit on a chair. The next one is kuda-kuda lurus or straight. Now, you will be learning 8 techniques that are combined together to become one movement. So, you're going to start from on guard position. And this is the first technique, which is the pukulan. Here, you're going to block. Number 2, to do the sikutan or the elbow. Cross your right leg and block downwards. Chop from the top down. Right hand chop and back to on guard position. Now we'll be doing it in actual timing. On guard, ready, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Here we have a silat performance for you to enjoy. So enjoy yourself and stay safe. Bye bye.